Good morning. Grammar class. Forms of relative pronoun. Heading. Forms of the relative pronoun. RELAtive relative pronoun. This indicates who, whom, whose. When you use relative pronoun, most important thing is who, whom, whose, which. Example. This is the boy who works hard. Underline who. W. Once again, this is the boy who works hard. Relative pronoun is who. W. Underline. Next one. This is the girl whom all the people praise. This is the girl whom all the people praise. Praise. Underline whom. Whom is the relative pronoun. Next one. These are the boys whose homeworks are done well. THES. These are the boys whose homeworks done well. Underline whose. Next one. This is the house which belongs to my uncle. Once again, this is the house which belongs to my uncle. Underline which is the relative pronoun. This is the house which my elder brother built. This is the house which my elder brother built. BILT. Underline which. So which, whose, who, these are the relative pronoun. Next one. These are the relative pronoun. Who. Who is used for plural and singular. Example. The man who is honest is trusted. The man who is honest is trusted. Who. Underline. They are slaves who does not speak openly. They are slaves who does not speak openly. Underline speak. Who. Next one. The teacher sent out of class who came very late. The teacher sent out of the class who came very late. Who. Underline करो. लेट आया बच्चों को टीचर बाहर भेज दिया. Once again. The teacher sent, S-E-N-T, sent out of class who came very late. Next one. My brother who is a doctor has gone to London. My brother who is a doctor has gone to London. Underline who. Who is the relative pronoun. Next one. The doctor who treated my mother. Example. Once again. The doctor who treated, T-R-E-A, treated my mother. Underline who. Who, relative pronoun. Next one. Next heading that. Relative pronoun that is used for person and things. आदमी लोग भी यूज़ करते हैं, थिंग्स को भी यूज़ करते हैं. कोई चेयर, ये ट्री हो, इसको भी यूज़ करते हैं. Example. This is the boy that I told you of yesterday. This is the boy that I told you of yesterday. That underline VGA, that is the relative pronoun. Next one. I know the house that he lived. I know the house that he lived. L-I-V. That underline VGA. I have lost the watch that you gave me. I have lost the watch that you gave me. That underline VJ, that relative pronoun. He was the most perfect speaker that I ever heard. He was the most perfect speaker that I ever heard. That underline VJ. Next one. The word is as. Is underline VJ used as a relative pronoun after such and such. Sometime after the same as. Example. The mangoes are not such as I bought yesterday. मैं जो कल लाया मैंगो जैसे इतना अच्छा नहीं है. The mangoes are not such as I bought yesterday. B-O-U-G-H-T. मैं खरीदा मैंगो जैसा नहीं है. Example. The mangoes are not such as I bought yesterday. Number 2. He is such a person as I honor. He is such a person as I honor. H-O-N-E-R. As underline GJ, we had never had such a time as the present. We had never had such a time as the present. अभी जो जैसा टाइम हमको कभी नहीं हुआ. So as underline करो. Yes, as. His answer was such as I expected him to give. His answer was such as I expected him to give. Underline कीजिए such as. My problem is same as yours. My problem is the same as yours. अंडरलाइन कीजिए same as. मेरा जो प्रॉब्लम आपका जैसा मेरा सही है. My problem is the same as yours. Next one. This is not the same as that. This is not the same as that. These are the relative pronouns. Now heading interrogative pronoun. जो सवाल पूछता है ना इसको इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउन बोलते हैं. INTERROGAT इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस. ब्रैकेट क्वेश्चन टाइप. इंट्रोगेटिव क्वेश्चन टाइप सवाल पूछता है ना उसको. INTERROGAT इंट्रोगेटिव प्रोनाउंस ब्रैकेट क्वेश्चन टाइप. सो क्वेश्चन रहेगा एंड में. एग्जाम्पल. हु इज देयर क्वेश्चन मार्क. whom do you want to see now question mark. Which do you prefer, tea or coffee question mark. Which do you prefer, comma, tea or coffee question mark. Whom do you want to see now question mark. Whom do you want to see question mark. Next one. What is the matter question mark. Whom do you see in this picture question mark. ये पिक्चर में आप किसको दिखते हैं. Whom do you see in this picture question mark. Next one. What type of man is he question mark. सबको क्वेश्चन मार्क रहता है. What type of man is he question mark. Next one. Usage of what are you and what is. What are you? What do you mean by question mark. I am a professor, or I am a nurse, or I am a teacher, or I am a businessman. What is he question mark. He is an engineer. Who is she. She is a nurse. Who is he. Kanam. His name is Jajan. Who are you question mark. I am Mohan. Who are you? I am Mohan. These are the words. Then heading sentence which and what are used as interrogative adjective heading. Sentence which and what are used as interrogative adjective question पूछने के लिए which and what use करते हैं. Example. Which book are you reading question mark. Which underline कीजिए. Which book are you reading question mark. Next one. Which way shall we go. कौन सा रास्ते से जाने का question mark. Which underline कीजिए. Which way shall we go question mark. What books are you reading now. What books are you reading now question mark. Next one. What kind of man you are question mark. Or these are what, which, these are the relative pronoun, interrogative pronoun. Next heading. Reflexive and empathetic pronoun. Heading. Reflexive and empathetic EMPHATIC pronouns. इसके अंदर hurt myself, himself वगैरह रहेगा. Example. You will hurt yourself. You will hurt yourself. Yourself अंडरलाइन कीजिए. I hurt myself. I hurt myself. MYHELF. He hurt himself. He hurt himself. HIMACLF. She hurt herself. She hurt herself. Next one. The horse hurt itself. घोड़ा उसको खराब किया. The horse hurt itself. He hurt ourselves. We hurt ourselves. We hurt hurt ourselves. They hurt themselves. They hurt hurt themselves. He wanted it for himself. He wanted it for himself. I myself do not believe her. I myself do not believe her. I myself do not believe her. Underline with myself, themselves, ourself, itself. All these are underline कीजिए. So when you talk English, you can utilize this type of words. Otherwise, it will be complicated. So grammar is the science that is most important. If you want to speak English without grammatical mistake writing, grammar most important. The way you talk, the way you write should be without grammatical mistake, because when you write a letter to the Honorable President of India, Honorable Prime Minister of India, or the Governor, the Chief Minister, all important words write in English, and writing and speaking must be without grammatical mistake. That is most important. If you talk like that, people understand you are not educated. You may be, let's say, pidgin English. Even a butler can speak English. But educated people, while speaking English, should not have grammatical mistake. Always remember. So you should know which, where's, who, all this. I know the boy who got first rank in the examination. Right? Who is the most important? I know the boy underline करो, who got first rank in the examination means फर्स्ट रैंक मिला बॉय के बारे में बोलने के लिए और हु यूज़ करना चाहिए. तुम्हारा अंकल एक घर बनाया होगा तो इसका दिस इज द हाउस विच माई अंकल बिल्ट, विच उधर यूज़ करना पड़ेगा. विच मेरा अंकल जो बनाया घर है उधर विच अंडरलाइन करो. सो और सब मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट है. ये सब यूज़ नहीं करेगा तो आपका इंग्लिश ना कुछ कीमत नहीं करेगा. Educated people should speak English without grammatical mistake. Use flowery words, fine words while talking. You don't say I can speak. You never say I can see better than you. You talk less but should be flowery words without creating grammatical mistake. So, it's an international language. When you talk English, when surrounding people respect you, adore you, give more respect. So always remember, it is not local language, it's international language. It is a mother tongue of 17 million people in the world. Mother tongue of. Not like Malayalam, Tamil or Marathi or international language. If you want to go to Western countries, it is most important. Even any foreign country, we can't talk our mother tongue. So English is most important, writing and speaking. So always remember the importance of English. Have a nice day. May God bless all of you.